Hello dear Scorpio, welcome back to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading and career reading. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe so that you get your reading in advance. So if you are a Sun Moon Rising Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you would like to book a personal reading, ritual or counseling session with me, stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. So your cards are already out. Let's begin. I'll start with your career first. You have got the Three of Spades, the Astrologer, and the Two of Sons. Now I do see that some sort of success is developing in your career, like it's very close. You have been working very hard for it, and probably you are desperately waiting to hear some sort of good news. But you're also worried because you have been engaging in a lot of arguments and fights with your bosses, right, or your colleagues. So that might hamper your growth. And if you don't know that already, let me just tell you that really might hamper your growth. So if you are waiting on a promotion, on a job, on a business, or a client deal that you want to crack, but you're not gelling well with the people, this can really hamper your growth. So if you think these people can directly impact your decisions or your growth, please avoid any sort of arguments. Compromise is the key for you in this week. Try to compromise, try to bend a little, try to apologize, try to just nod your head at everything the other person is saying, no matter how wrong they are, because this is going to benefit you rather than turning back, engaging in an argument, or having a fight with them. Okay. I also see that, especially if this is a person you're involved with, neither they or you are bad people. It's just that the compatibility is not appropriate, which means you both are equally strong. When there comes an argument or fight, none of you want to back down, none of you want to apologize. And if that's the case, it might not really hamper them. It might not, but it will definitely hamper your growth, your success. So you have to protect yourself by not engaging in arguments and compromising this week. I'm only asking you to be cautious this week. Probably next week onwards things will be smooth. But this week, your success, which is like about to develop, the progress that you're about to receive, the reward, the promotion, the job, the client deal, the money, that all can stop if you don't. Okay, so be very careful. I also see that, like I said, you both are good people individually. You both are extremely strong, hot-headed as well, and ego clashes might be possible. In your love life, let's see what's happening. You have got the One of Stars, you've got the Burning Tower, and you've got the Six of Suns. Okay, first of all, some of you could be dealing with an Aries Sun Moon rising, or you could have an Aries Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see that you're getting some sort of success here. Those who are single are maybe now ready to mingle, ready to settle down. Uh, but that might not come easily. I do see that some sort of big unpredictable change is coming in your life, which will change your mindset. So probably if you have been working very hard or not spending enough time at home, then probably some mishap will happen where you will have to take a leave, you will have to go back home, you will have to spend time with your family members, right? Whether that's anyone, your parents, your kids, your spouse, your partner. Okay. And if you're single and you have not been taking care of your health, you can get into illness. Some sort of illness is expected this week, or some mishap happens which will force you to take a break, right? Which will force you to focus on yourself, or which will force you to be more loyal or honest or loving towards your spouse or partner, right? Something can either happen to you or to them in order to make that change in your life. So I suggest please start making those changes, because you know what wrong you're doing in your relationships, whether that's time, whether that's money that you're not giving, or whether that's health that you're not taking care of, yours or theirs, because it's going to be unpredictable. Expect a big change coming your way, expect a shaky and scary change coming your way, but this change will be good in the long run. Right now, right now you might not be able to see it, but it's actually leading you to a fuller, happier path, right? So if you start making that changes right now in yourself, probably this transition will be easy for you. So overall, I see that this week is probably very much in your control. So if you take right steps, do the right things as advised by me in this video, and you're watching this definitely before this week starts, then please start applying it. This will really help you. Okay, so this week is very much in your hands. Remember that. Make wise decisions, choose wisely, and this will be smoother for you. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what's exactly happening in your life. I would love to read your comments, read, like, and also try to reply to all of you. And if you still have any questions, you would like to book any reading, I take personal readings as well. I do rituals as well, and I also take spiritual counseling sessions. If you are in no contact with your partner, I take oracle love readings as well. You can also join the live chat. And on my Hindi channel. So to book any kind of booking, you can either, to make any kind of booking, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram as well to know the prices as well. Please follow me on Instagram because I post everything in my stories on a daily basis. You will be updated. You will know when to do the ritual and what not to do during the ritual, the full moon, the new moon, the prices, the new services launched, what all services are there, and everything. Right here, I'll only be meeting you weekly. So do subscribe so that you get to know about your readings in advance. And please share this video with everyone who you think need a counseling session. They need help. They need guidance. They need to open up to somebody. They need a therapy. uh, uh, I will ask, I will be asking your guide, I will be asking your guides to guide you through, to give you remedies as well, to remove that blockage from your life. Every package that I have also have a blockage removal ritual as well, to see what is exactly blocking your life. Okay, you can book a blockage removal ritual separately as well. The charges are really budgeted, really cheap, so go check it out. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care. Bye bye.